How to find Facebook account from login page. In order to do that, let me head over and then log out first. Then once you have logged out, you should be able to see this. Click on this list, log in into another account, and then you can see this all of it. Click on this forgot password option. Then you just need to find your account right here. So what you can do is we'll actually look for your account depending on the email or phone number that you input on the page earlier. So you can just click on the account that you want and then you can log in from in there. However, if you can see your account, you can click on this I don't see my account and then just put in here the email. For example, let's put in here an email right there. And then once you have inputted the email or also phone number, you can search for them right here. And then they will actually show right there. And then you will be logged in if your account is actually recognized on this device. So that's how you find Facebook account from login page. Hope we helped.